Hello mga ka-agri! Kumusta? AgriTalks PH nga po pala. Ngayon ay pag-uusapan po natin ang mga basic calculations sa soil science. Pero bago pang lahat ay paki-like and share po ng video na to. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to ay paki-subscribe na rin at i-hit ang notification bell button para updated po kayo sa mga usaping may kaugnayan sa agrikultura. Maraming salamat po. Now, we will proceed with our next topic, which is the conversion of elemental form into an ionic form. So, what's the importance of this? The nutrients that are absorbed and needed by our plants, and also the nutrients that are present in our fertilizers are in ionic form. So, that's why when we are given with the value which is in elemental form, we are required to convert this into an ionic form so that we can compute for the exact amount of our fertilizers that are needed by our plants. Okay, so we will start with the computation. Okay, now we will focus particularly on phosphorus and potassium. Okay, so the ionic form that are present in our fertilizers of the phosphorus and potassium, it is in the form of P2O5 and K2O. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. For example, if we are applying 50 kilograms of P, how much is the P2O5 out of this 50 kilograms phosphorus? Okay, so here is the easy way to convert this elemental form into ionic form. We will just multiply by 2.9. So this is the conversion factor when we are converting P to P2O5. However, when we are converting K to K2O, we will just multiply this by 1.2. So this is also the conversion factor when we are converting K to K2O. So later, we will discuss why 1.2 and why 2.29 for phosphorus. But for now, we will just compute this. 50 times 2.29, that would be 114.50 kilograms P2O5. So now, this is the ionic form. When we are applying 50 kilograms of P, we are also applying 114.50 kilograms of P2O5. Okay? Okay, now we will have also an example for potassium. Okay? When we are applying, for example, 80 kilograms of K, how much is the K2O out of this value? Okay, so we will just multiply it by 1.2. Okay, so 80 times 1.2, that would be 96 kilograms of K2O. So now this is the equivalent value for the K2O out of that 80 kilograms na K. Okay, so that's very easy way to convert this from elemental form into K2O. Now the question is, saan po galing itong 1.2 na conversion factor for the K and conversion factor na 2.29 for the phosphorus? Okay, so now we will derive this one by one. So now we will focus on potassium. Okay, so why 1.2 ang iyang conversion factor? Okay, ganito. So we will go back to the basic. So tingnan natin yung kanilang atomic weight. Okay, for the for the K, atomic weight po niya ay 39. At saka yung oxygen is 16. So meron po tayong subscript ng K which is 2. We will have to multiply it by 2. So 39 times 2, that would be 78. And then, copy lang, 16. 78 plus 16, that would be 94. Okay, 94. So ngayon, this 94 will be divided by the K, which is 78. So 94 divided by 78, that would be 1.2. So now this is the conversion factor. So this is the derivations on that. We will also compute why 2.29 for the phosphorus. Okay, so ganito po. Again, back to basic, we will get the atomic weight of these elements. So, for the P, we will have 31. Ito po yung atomic weight niya. And then for oxygen, we have 16. Meron po tayong subscript na 2 and then 5. So, times 2. Then for oxygen, times 5. Okay, 31 times 2, that would be 62. And then 16 times 5, that would be 80. Then 62 plus 80, that would be 142. Again, the total of this will be divided by the value of phosphorus, which is 62. So 142 divided by 62, that would be 2.29. So this is the conversion factor when we are converting P to P2O5. So yun lang po guys, it's very easy. Yun po ang ating mga basic calculation sa soil science. I hope meron po kayong natutunan mula sa video na to. Kung meron kayong mga questions and clarification, please comment down below. And pakishare na rin po ng video na to, especially to our agriculture students, to agriculturists, and also for our graduates in agriculture na gustong mag-take po ng ating licensure examination for agriculturists. Napakahalaga po ng topic na to sa inyong darating na examination. So please watch this video. This is for you. At ngayon, ito po si Master Arwin ng AgriTalks PH na nagsasabing, every time we eat, let's thank God and thank our farmers.